Hey everybody, I'm going to take you through how to connect a custom domain to your ClickFunnels funnel. So in order to do that, we first need to get a domain set up. We're going to do that by clicking on your picture and account settings, and then on the bottom left you're going to find a link that says domains. So we're going to click on that, and as you can see I have a couple that are already set up. And you'll click this add a domain button. Now if you don't have a domain and you want to buy it through ClickFunnels, you can buy it here. Otherwise, you can use your domain provider. You can definitely use a domain provider like BlueHost, which is also going to give you the email hosting for a pretty low price. I'll throw a link down in the comments for that. You can also use Google Domains, GoDaddy, anything that you want. Use an existing domain, and then you're going to type in your domain. All right, so I own the domain calendon.com. And I'm going to click it, and then it says how to connect your domain to ClickFunnels. In order to make a custom domain where you bought your domain, add a CNAME record that points to www.target.clickfunnels.com. Now, this particular domain I have through Google Domains, so I'm going to bring that account up real quick. Just get past some of the stuff everybody doesn't necessarily need to be seeing in the account. But we're going to go into our DNS area. And as you can see, I've got some stuff that's already kind of in progress here. There's a lot of stuff going on. So for an example, we want the www record to go there, is what they're telling us to do. And we want a CNAME record. So we're going to say we want a CNAME, www, target.clickfunnels.com. This box is going to tell you how long it's going to take. We want it to go into effect quick. We can tell it 1 minute, and within about 5 minutes that should update. Otherwise, we have, if it's a 1 hour update, it's going to take like it starts, it's going to take an hour before it actually updates that. But as you can see, we have, I have a couple already. I have funnels.calendon.com right here, funnels, and that's going to target.clickfunnels.com. So that's how I confirmed the previous domain. I don't actually want that domain to go there, but then you'll say I've done this step, and it's checking. Now it's going to say that it's connected, ready to use, and just show the domains, right? And this is going to show unverified at the moment because we obviously haven't connected it. But I want to show you the last couple of steps that you need to do in order to set it up. Once it's verified, you're going to come down here and expand this SSL area, and then there will be an option to turn this on. Turning this on is important because it's going to actually mess with the structure of your funnel. If the SSL is not validated, you'll be previewing things and your funnel is going to move all over the place. It's going to distort, it's going to warp, it's going to act really strange. Not exactly sure why it does it, but turning on SSL is definitely the solution to fixing that. So I'm going to actually remove this domain. So in order to do that, we're going to make sure that we're in this danger zone. Removing domain, yes, remove this domain because I don't need that root pointing there because I only want my subdomains pointed here. But here you can see this one has been secured with SSL, and it tells you that it's secured here. You see the little green lock here. But from there, you can go to your different funnels. Go into your settings, and then you can choose your domain from a drop-down is what it's going to do. So this is funnels.calendon.com, and then if we go to my main page is the opt-in page, right? This is opt-in step is the name of this. I'm sorry, that's the wrong place here. Under publishing, call it the funnel step name is called opt-in, which changes this name here, and the opt-in step is going to be the part that's actually on the path in the overview. This is the actual URL that it would take to get to this specific page. This being the first page of my funnel, that's the one that I want to be promoting. But you can see now it says funnels.calendon.com. Otherwise, it would say something like it would say your ClickFunnels username.clickfunnels.com, and then you'd have the other stuff. So you'd be a subdomain of ClickFunnels. I just want a little bit more control, a little more customization over my stuff, so I'm going to use that custom domain. Then you can also use that same custom domain for like your autoresponders and things of that nature when you get all of that stuff set up, as long as you have your mail host ready to go. So again, BlueHost gives you that mail host right away instead of needing an additional product over the top. So it's kind of one step and done. It should integrate nicely with this. So I hope that has been informative in giving you all the information you need in order to connect your custom domain, and I will see you in the next video.